Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2, all the information you'll ever need, almost, with a bonus tip. We'll have that coming right up. Recently I contacted DJI support on Twitter asking them a question. They replied back with a link to a web page of theirs devoted to the Mavic 2 with almost all the information you'll ever need. Now I'm going to put up several slides up on the screen going over what is on the site. So let's get into it. First slide that's up on the screen, it has Mavic 2 specs and has the Mavic 2 Pro camera, the Mavic 2 zoom camera. The next slide that's up on the screen goes over the aircraft, the gimbal, and the remote controller. The third slide that's up on the screen goes over the sensing system, intelligent flight battery, and supported SD cards. And the next slide goes up on the screen is the charger and the app, and then there are footnotes below that. Now the next slide up on the screen shows Mavic 2 videos. It has an intro and tutorials. Note that some of the tutorials are on DJI support site as well too. The next slide shows the Mavic 2 downloads. Now it also has the manuals in PDF form, and it also the software. It's DJI Assistant 2 for Mavic, and that's for both Windows and for Apple. And then the last slide shows the app live view, and that is for both your Apple device and your Android devices as well. I'll provide a link in the description for you to be able to check all this information out in detail should you need to be able to download anything. Here's a bonus tip. The best, fastest, and most responsive way to get a hold of DJI is to tweet them at DJI support. So if you don't have a Twitter account, it would be worth setting up just to get that information, because I found them to be very responsive and very fast in getting back to me with any question I've ever had. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.